So we have Doc here.
His birthday's a week from Sunday on July 10th. He's going to be 17 years old.
17 years old.
Yeah.
And Doc, will I be able to work on you today? The better thing is to learn to touch your dog with love. It's the touch of love. And learn how to connect and just meet them where they're at. Right now it looks like he's on his right side. And it looks like he's totally chill. I'm wondering if I should give him a little pillow. He looks so... A dog can sense our breathing and even like whether our bodies are agitated or not. So I'm going to use a lower voice and talk slow, and I'll start to connect to my own breathing. You'll see, because this is towards the end of the course, you'll see little petrissage moves, you'll see some skin, you'll see some little percussion, you'll see some long effleurage strokes. And the main thing is just to keep moving and not make it so technical. Remember, it's the touch of love, it's not the technique of touch.